if you are given the chance to talk to the highest official of the land, President Marcos, what issue would you discuss?
Well, I think it's one of the most important issues that we need to tackle is about our environmental issues. Because right now we can see that the impact of global warming is really evident. The heat and the high index heat, the escalating calamities. That's why we need to make sure that we need to make policies that address specifically about the environmental issue. And as someone that really loves nature, I really promote environmental sustainability because it allows us to protect our natural resources and it also addresses the issue about climate change. And if we embrace sustainable practices we are not just addressing the issue, we're not just preserving our biodiversity, but also we are boosting our economy because we are creating green jobs. We're also promoting efficiency, and as well as all the while we are actually promoting public health because we're eradicating our pollution. That's why it's important to have for us to focus on our environment because we only have one Earth, and our action will echo through time. So let's start making conscious choices today. So it could be our ordinary Canada, may iswagan tayo and balik ko.